The first step in accessing a Gizmo is to enter explorelearning.com in Google, then click on Login or Join. Then you will see the login screen. You will need to input your username and password, then click on Login. This is a search screen. Click on the rectangular box besides Search and input Balancing Chemical Equation. Then click on Search. This is a search results screen. Check for the gizmo you want, in this case, Balancing Chemical Equations, and click on Launch Gizmo. This will take a minute or two depending on the speed of the internet. This is the Balancing Chemical Equation gizmo. First, I will choose a reaction. I will choose combination. Then I will select Show Summary. Note that the equation is not balanced. Observe that on the left-sided equation there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, and on the right-sided equation there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. So the hydrogen atoms are balanced. However, on the left side of the equation there are 2 atoms of oxygen, and on the right side of the equation there is only 1 atom of oxygen. So the oxygen atoms are not balanced. The next step is to show histograms. Here you can see also that the hydrogen atoms are balanced before and after the reaction, but the oxygen atoms are not balanced. After the reaction, there are less oxygen atoms than before the reaction. Now you can try to balance the equation. First, you need to increase the amount of oxygen after the reaction. Note that the equation is still not balanced because there are less hydrogen atoms before the reaction than after the reaction. As such, you need to increase the amount of hydrogen atoms before the reaction. Note that the reaction is now balanced. There are 4 atoms of hydrogen before the reaction and 4 atoms of hydrogen after the reaction, and there are 2 atoms of oxygen before the reaction, and there are 2 atoms of oxygen after the reaction. Note that when you try to balance chemical equations, the number in front of the formula unit is changed instead of the subscript. You should now practice by selecting another type of reaction and try to balance it.